So I'm up at my buddy's property, and we got the mini quad out. We got Gracie roaming around. We've got the smoker outside. I've been flying drones, and I kind of just want to show you guys my latest drone build. This is my latest build. It's the Holy Bro Copus X8, I believe is the name. And it is the first Cine-Lifter that I've like built and kind of done 100% myself. It's pretty dope. This drone was super fun to build. I got the kit like, I don't know, a few months ago. And I just kind of bought the kit and sat and thought about it for a while. I've never built a 8-rotor drone before, so I didn't really know like what to do with the ESCs for 8 motors. But I just kind of went on the website and looked at the stack they recommended. So instead of being like a 2-layer double stack flight controller ESC, this has 3 layers. It's a triple stack. I put a DJI 04 Pro, is the video transmission. I went with Radio Master Gemini crossband dual diversity transmitter receiver. That's the 2 antennas back here. I don't know if you can see them. I put a big GPS on it because it can fit a bigger one. And yeah, I put a buzzer on here too. Oh, and lastly, I put a 12-volt BEC external power supply. So basically, I'm getting like regulated 12-volt, 5-amp power out, so I can, plug a power cable into the camera and it run off the battery from the drone, and you can maybe lighten up the camera a little bit by taking the battery out. I had to design and 3D print a few things for this drone. First one, super easy. I just had to come up with a mount for the 04 Pro camera system. So just a real quick design in Blender, and printed that in TPU. Then back here, for the GPS and the dual diversity, I have one antenna that goes vertically here and one antenna that goes horizontally there. I designed this like 3D printed bracket that also holds the GPS. Again, that was pretty simple to make in Blender, and I 3D printed it in TPU. Now I'm not sure, but the legs that came with this frame, they were like this long, and I just couldn't get them to work. So I had a friend of mine 3D print this landing foot out of carbon reinforced PLA, and then I just made TPU little feet for it. And yeah, we're running a 6,500 milliamp hour 6S battery. I'll be putting a Blackmagic Cinema 4K camera on here, and it's pretty awesome. I think we should fly it. So here it is with the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 4K camera. I had the 4K and the 6K camera a few years ago, and I never could sell the 4K. So it's actually kind of cool. It's giving it a second life here. But yeah, it's pretty big, pretty heavy with the Blackmagic 4K on it, but we're definitely able to fly. It's hovering at like 55, 56% throttle, and it's flying super stable. This build was like probably one of the most gratifying things I've done in my life. It just was so awesome to learn about, building these, programming them, even like learning how to use ChatGPT a whole lot better just to get like the tune right. I was asking ChatGPT about like what components should I get, and it was just a whole ton of fun to learn all this stuff. And now I have this super awesome drone that can carry, Blackmagic, Red cameras, Sony mirrorless, kind of like whatever you want. I think we should be able to fly it. Not whatever you want, but you get what I mean. All right, about to arm.
Armed and dangerous.
right, flying pretty good. Not really flying crazy with it because I'm still just getting a feel. But it's smooth. I should probably not fly the whole pack and make sure my motors aren't getting too hot or whatever, but overall super happy that it works. You can see the dust it creates. Holy shit. I also noticed since adding the power supply for the camera, for the Blackmagic camera, my GPS seems to struggle to find satellites, so I might have to isolate. Just showing you the dust. I can create my own special effects, dust and fog. All right, well, I'm gonna land it, see.
Disarmed and not dangerous.
Phew. Let's check these motors, see if they're hot. No. So yeah, that's my latest drone build. Let me know what you think. Do you like these videos? Do you like to see like what goes into building drones and flying drones with crazy cameras on them? Let me know.